Say hello to Ray Ray Poo Poo Pants. She is taking one heck of a poop right now. Look at mummies. Are you done? Ready for diaper change? Hi, Mimi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Oh, she's not done. Boy, is she concentrating. And I'm sure feeling it on my lap. All the little farts coming out with the poop.
My centerpiece.
I'm recording her taking a poop.
Right?
Very cute. Can I have one?
I just made it.
So make me one before I steal that one. I'll steal that one. You know I will.